Can I get a copy of tax return from IRS on Credit Karma Tax? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Credit Karma Tax does not provide access to copies of your file tax return directly through its platform. However, you can obtain a copy of your tax return directly from the IRS. To do that, you want to open up any web browser and head over to irs.gov. From all of these tools, you want to click on the option of Get Your Tax Record. That's going to take you to the page where it says Get Transcript. Over here, you will be able to receive your various types of transcript, including your tax return transcript. You want to click on the option of Get Transcript Online. Then after that, you will have to sign into your account. Once you have been signed in, you can request tax return transcript, which provides most line items from your tax return as originally filed. This transcript is available for the current tax year and the past 3 tax years. If you need an exact copy of the previously filed and processed tax return and the transcript is not sufficient, you can request a copy of your tax return by filing Form 4506, Request for Copy of Tax Return. You can download this form from the IRS website, fill it out and mail it to the address listed on the form. Keep in mind that there may be fees associated with requesting a copy of your tax return from the IRS or through other channels, so it is a good idea to check for the applicable charges before proceeding with your request. Additionally, you have to ensure that you have all the necessary identification and information available when requesting your tax return to verify your identity and facilitate the process. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.